How to buy Robux in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this tutorial I'll be showing you the steps on how you can buy Robux in Roblox. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to buy Robux in your Roblox, what you need to do is first thing, log into your Roblox account. If you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and in the top right center you'll be able to see an icon or an hexagon shape icon. Click on it. As you click on the icon, you'll be directed to your balance. As you can see that right on top I have 0 Robux. You'll be able to see a package or a list of options, so you need to select accordingly. So for example, if you want to buy 4,500 Robux, then you'll have to pay $49.99, and similarly you can see the list goes on. So moving on with the procedure, so to buy a Robux, all you need to do is just click on it, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see your purchase detail. Right at the bottom you'll need to enter in the debit card information. After you type in the number, click on save, and next interface you'll be asked to enter in your Gmail account password. Once you do that, you'll need to verify it. For that, a verification link will be sent to an email that you've provided, and after that you'll need to click on the verification link, and then your payment has been successful. All you have to do is wait patiently until you receive your product, and that is the way how you can buy a Robux in your Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.